What's up, guys? It's your boy Bernie doing a little bit of a review for you guys, a clothing review. I received this package of a purchase I made. Just gonna go ahead and record this unboxing video for you guys. So let's go ahead and get right into it and open up this package, guys, and let me know what you guys think. Was it worth it? Was it not worth it? Honestly, guys, I'm gonna be straight up with y'all. Like, I'm not the type to really like spoil myself like that. This is like the very first purchase in a while that I've like, actually spoiled myself. And it's good to spoil yourself, from time to time, I'm not gonna sit here and say do it every single time you get a check or something, but from time to time, if you see something you like, and even if it's expensive, spoil yourself, man. You deserve it. But anyways, this is one out of the two things that I ordered. It is a Misfits and Supreme collab hoodie. Price tag on this was like $3 something. I really liked the look of it. I think it looks very nice. I don't remember the last time I purchased something from Supreme, but back in the day, me and my brothers would always like wait for the next drop and this and that, and it would sell out quick, guys. But every time we would get a check from our jobs and there was a Supreme drop that week, we'd always open up the app and wait and see if we could be able to be the first ones to buy it. I never was lucky enough to get anything, but one of my brothers was. He bought like a whole closet worth of like Supreme merch and whatnot, which he still owns to this day, which is pretty cool. But this is my first Supreme purchase. The material on it feels very nice. The way I could describe it, kind of feels like cow fur, but it's not cow fur. I like it, it's very warm. Definitely gonna be wearing this more often during the winter. I like it, something casual to wear also at night. Let's check out the materials that they use for it. I'm very big on the materials they use. It really tells whether or not an item is cheaply made and stuff, which will almost be the case for almost anything. So we got 76% acrylic, 24% polyester, and then the hood lining is 100% cotton. So yeah, guys, I mean, they didn't use the most expensive materials, but nowadays, I mean, who really does? I mean, everything is made cheap and sold expensive, so I'm not expecting this to be anything luxurious, but I mean, I like it. It's comfortable at the end of the day. I like the look of it. I like the design. But I want to know what you guys think. Was this worth the $300? But yeah, guys, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Would you cop or would you drop? Let me know. And I will also be making a review on the other hoodie that I ordered. Try and take a guess of which one I did. It does have to do with this same collab, so let me know what item y'all guys think I got that I should be receiving next, and I will be dropping that video pretty soon. Don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe.